How to use green screen on Capcut. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video tutorial, we'll be discussing about using the green screen on Capcut. So if you're new to this channel, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. Now let's get started. First of all, you have to open Capcut application. You can either open an existing project or create a new one. Make sure that you have some background footage ready as you will need to overlay the green screen. After creating a new project, find the background video that you want to use. Now that you have imported the video, you can adjust its size. Pinch the preview to zoom in or out until it reaches your desired size and make sure that the clip is selected. There you will see the option of remove background, that is between eye contact and relight option. Tap on it and then you will come across three different options, that is auto removal, custom removal, and chroma key. Choose chroma key since you're working with a green screen. Next, select the color you want to remove the green screen. Adjust the intensity slider, moving it up, and it will help eliminate the green background. You may also want to set it close to the maximum for the best results. And you can also add a shadow effect if you like, but I'll leave it off for now. So once you're satisfied, click on the check mark to confirm. Now when you play back the video, you should see the clip in the front of the background, and to ensure both clips finish at the same time, you can split the top clip and delete the excess. Finally, to save your project, click on the export button in the top right corner and you'll be done. So if you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.